B, super fast A.
Cool guy. And cool guy. This is a GMC 2019 Canon.
And this is the side of it, and this is the 2019 GMC Canon. As you can see here, it's nice and painted with white, and you can see all that. These nice doors, and it has these nice good tires, like maybe good for off-road. And then
right here we have this thing where you can get into the truck easily, and then the tail pop down slowly. And it comes with a backup camera and a towing capacity of 7,000 pounds. It comes with a tow package, so you can tow and make sure everything's right. With the Canon V6 SLE base model, starting from $20,000 to upper models to $30,000.
And then it has these nice tires right here, and then this is where your gas is normally there, and then you got all that, and then you got this nice interior right here, black, and yeah, and then it has these RPM that controls all the stuff cruise control control all the stuff right here, and then you can switch the light beams. But it's good to leave it at auto though, like automatic for your car. And then when you want to turn it on, and then it has all this audio, phone, all these Wi-Fi hotspot, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. So it doesn't matter who you are, you can have one of these.
And it comes with OnStar service and the camera for the backup taillight or for the towing.
And then it comes with with the hazard light, then
traction control,
and backlights right here.
Towing control.
Yeah,
good air conditioning, good volume. And the gates cluster come with a RPM on the left,
and this is
miles per hour on the left, and that's for the control.
And that's to control the radio, these paddle shifters, and not for the gear. And thank you for watching this video.
If it was me, I would like to get this truck because it's a good price, starting from $20,000. Even if it's a base model, you get a lot of cool features with it. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is really cool with it. Because if you don't have Apple CarPlay, you can't listen to your music on Android Auto. So it's really good to come with a lot of good features with it, just for a truck for $20,000 with it.
I recommend this truck to everybody, and thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe to me.
Yeah.